The Genius Dream presents interesting psychological facts about human body.
Your body is a beautiful thing, right? It's time to realize how amazing and a bit freaky we are as individuals. Check out these 15 amazing facts about our bodies. Number 1. Humans develop fingertips from the time they were embryos, only 3 months after they're conceived. This means that just after the first trimester, the baby has fully developed fingertips. Number 2. The entire surface of your skin is replaced every single month, which in another way means you have about 1,000 different skins in your life. Number 3. When a human blushes, they feel it in the lining of the stomach too, as it also turns red. Number 4. Another weird fact about the human body is that we humans shed about 600,000 skin particles every hour, which accounts to about 4 kg of skin cells every year. Number 5. The human body consists of organs in a singular count and pairs. However, the organs that are present in pairs, you only need one to survive. Number 6. When your body experiences extreme starvation, there are chances that your brain will start to eat itself. Number 7. If you were to check your height, you're taller in the morning compared to night. You are about 1 centimeter taller in the morning when you first get up than when you go to bed. This is because during the day, the soft cartilage between your bones gets squashed and compressed. Number 8. If you've heard of the term pregnancy brain, you should know that it is entirely true and not just a myth in which a woman's brain somewhat shrinks. Number 9. Your nose is not as sensitive as a dog's, but it can remember 50,000 different scents. Number 10. Have you heard? Your brain does not fully develop until you're 25 years old? Number 11. If a pregnant woman has organ damage, the baby in her womb sends stem cells to help repair the organ. Number 12. When a person dies, they have 7 minutes of brain activity left. It's the mind playing back the person's memory in dream sequence. Number 13. Your forearm and your foot are the same length. Try measuring the length of your forearm from the crook of your elbow to your wrist and compare it with the length of your foot. You'll be surprised that they are the exact same length. Number 14. When you wake up in the morning, your 5 senses wake up too, but not all at the same time. Your sight is first and your sense of smell is the last thing to wake up. Number 15. Your body is as old as the universe, since matter is energy, and energy can never be destroyed, but rather converted into another form.
Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe our channel.